The Capital Development Authority (CDA) invites online applications from qualified and dynamic individuals for multiple job positions on a 2-year contract basis, purely on merit. Last date to apply: the 19th of October 2025. If you're passionate about contributing to Islam and innovation, this is your opportunity to be part of CDA's mission for a greener, smarter capital. Available job positions include Senior Manager, Nursery PPS -9, requires a master's degree in horticulture, agriculture, forestry, botany, environmental sciences, or a related field with 12 years of relevant experience. Preference will be given to candidates with specialized qualifications in plant sciences, molecular biology, or floriculture. Maximum age limit: 45 years. Manager Nursery PPS -8. Master's degree in relevant disciplines with 7 years of experience in horticulture or related fields. Maximum age: 40 years. Assistant managers in greenhouse, floriculture, tree nursery, marketing, and architecture PPS -6. Applicants should possess Master S or Bachelor S degrees in the respective disciplines with at least 3 years of field experience. Age limit: 33 years. AutoCAD Operator PPS 5. FA, FSC with diploma in AutoCAD, proficiency in 3D design software such as SketchUp, and 3 years experience in the field. Assistant Marketing PPS -5. BBA in Marketing. Fresh candidates are encouraged to apply. Supervisor, Ornamental and Flowering Plant Nursery PPS -2 FSC. Biology with diploma in floriculture or landscaping with 2 years experienced in indoor and outdoor plant nurseries. Technical positions also available: wheel grader operator, excavator operator, tree transplanter, and helper for skilled workers with relevant qualifications and experience. IT and digital media opportunities. Director General Information Technology PPSC requires a master's degree in computer science, IT, software engineering, or management information systems with 17 years of experience, including 5 years in senior leadership. Proficiency in e-governance, automation, and large-scale light project management is essential. Director Information Technology PPS 9, Master S degree with 12 years experience, including 5 years in leadership roles. Digital Media Manager BPS -17, Master's or 4-year bachelor's degree in mass communication, digital media marketing, or related fields, with 5 years experience in media management or public communication. Digital Communication Officer, Content Strategist, Graphic Designer, Audio-Video Editor, Animator, and Content Writer. Copywriter. Various BPS 14 to BPS 16 posts are open for talented, creative professionals with degrees in media, design, or related fields and 1 to 5 years of experience. Internship opportunities. CDA also offers paid internships with a monthly stipend of Rs. 60,000 in the following departments: Human Resource, Administration, and Law, Environment, Engineering, Finance, Planning, and Design, Information, Technology, and Media. These internships provide practical experience in national development projects and are open to graduates under the age of 30 years. Internship application deadline: the 19th and the 20th of October 2025. General instructions. All positions are merit-based and purely contractual for an initial period of 2 years, extendable as required. CDA reserves the right to increase or decrease the number of posts or cancel the advertisement at any stage. Only shortlisted candidates meeting the eligibility criteria will be called for test or interview. No tada will be admissible. Government employees must apply through proper channel and attach departmental NOC. Original documents will be required at the time of interview. How to apply? Visit the official CDA job portal at https://cda.gov.pk/jobs. Fill out the online application form and upload scanned copies of educational documents, experience certificates, CNIC, domicile, and a recent photograph. Submit the application within 20 days of the advertisement. Pay the non-refundable processing fee of Rs 2,000 for each post through the QR code generated upon submission, payable via any banking app. For queries, contact the CDA HR Directorate 05192 52995 during office hours or email cda.jobs@cda.gov.pk. Don't miss your chance to join one of Pakistan's most prestigious development authorities. Apply online today and take your step toward a brighter career with the Capital Development Authority. Is CDA building a greener, smarter capital?